just slay. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl All Things Essential. I'm back with another video. Don't mind my nails as we go through this video because they are a mess, and I'm going to get them done on Monday. And today we are going to do a makeup review, a makeup haul. I don't know. I went to this makeup pop-up shop and it had all these different type of makeup and tools and beauty blenders, brushes, face cleansers, shadows, lipstick, bronzers, eyeshadow. It had all these things, and I'm in Richmond, Virginia. So they had a pop-up shop, and one of my friends tagged me in it. I didn't even know it was going on. So one of my friends tagged me in it, and I was like, I got a couple of coins, so I'm gonna go. So one thing I did before I went is set me a budget, because I know how I can get with makeup. And I set me $100 budget, which that is a lot. But I was like, I'm gonna use these things. So what was the place called? Hold on. The pop-up shop was actually called Makeup Final Sale. This is the first time that I've ever been to something like this. And I've been living in Richmond forever. I was born here. I have never heard of this, so I don't know if this is the first year they're doing it. It was COVID friendly. It wasn't that many people when I went, because I went like at the beginning of the morning. Like it started at 10 and it ended at 5. And I got there at 10 o'clock, and we went straight in, got what we needed, and we left. So we spent an hour in there, because they literally, I'm going to insert a clip. We end up looking around, testing products. I have products still on my hand. So yeah, I want to show you guys what I got. I have a big bag of goodies, and I'm going to show you guys what I got, and hopefully my receipt is in here somewhere so I can tell you guys how much I spent on each item. So yeah, we're going to get into the video. This is going to be a makeup review, and let me know if y'all heard of any of these brands. Before we get into the video, y'all already know I have 3 rules before you come into my channel. If you're new, learn with me, grow with me, and do not judge me. We can get to the video. So I'm taking all my things out. I spent $100, and I want to show you guys what I got. So I'm going to put this bag on the end of my chair so I can just put it back in the bag after we finish, okay? It's a lot of stuff here. So y'all see how cheap stuff was? That's my receipt. So on Facebook, I'm sorry y'all, I look raggedy because I knew I was going out today. It's Richmond, it's raining right now. It's been raining all week, so I just threw on something that I didn't mind getting wet. So, in a hat, so excuse me, I look kind of homeless, but it's fine. But anyway, I'm going to go through everything that I have. And like I stated, that on Facebook, if you share this event, you got a free lipstick. If you were the first 200 people to get there, you got a flat iron for $2. It was a nice flat iron, but I didn't get it because I'm about to lock my hair. So I was like, that basically would be pointless, and I have a flat iron. So yeah, I didn't get it, but they had some sweet deals. They gave me a free mascara as well, so can never have too much mascara or lipstick. So they gave me those 2 for free. So we're gonna go through what I got. So I did pick up this beauty blender set. Hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know what brand this is. If you can see it, Revealy or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. But this 9-piece set of beauty blenders was $12. And the next item I got was me and my friend actually went with me, and we love this item. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I cannot wait to do looks with this. I am stoked for this item. It's the same brand. You can see it on the last one, but this is the brand, Revele. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it because I'm not good with names or pronouncing it. So I got some lashes, which I have plenty of lashes, but I was like, these ones sold me, so I got them. So as you can see, there are lashes in different, they have different designs, and they have diamonds on the lashes. I was like, I haven't seen nobody with no diamond lashes, so I'm gonna be the first one. Or maybe the second, whoever else was at the event that got these. I saw a couple of people pick these up. So I was like, let me get a pair. And my friend, I showed her, she was like, oh, I'm getting a pair. Like, she literally was sold. So I never seen anything like this. I'm excited to try them. I even might save the rhinestones as they fall off if I see them. But 4 pair of lashes. I don't think it come with anything. It just said 4 pair of lashes. And here, let's see. There's something else in here. With lash glue. So I'm gonna open it. Yeah, it comes with lash glue. Diamond lashes was $10 for 4. These lashes was $10 for 4 lashes with diamonds on them. So $10 for 4 pair of lashes. That's not bad because people are charging $10 per lash set. The next thing we got is mini beauty blenders, sponges. These are so adorable. Like, excuse my nails, y'all. They are terrible. This is unprofessional. See them? Plenty. These are nice. And they are cute. Those are $6 and they are really cute. And the 2 palette, Hey Cheek. I don't know what that is. Oh, actually, it's this. The next item that I'm going to be reviewing it's called Hey Cheek. And it is these colors in this palette. A contour color and then 2 highlights. So, oh no, a contour, a highlight, and a blush. But I'm probably gonna use these 2 colors for highlight because this look a little shimmery to me. So I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. I'm gonna use this color and this color as a highlighter because it looks shimmery to me. And this one I can use like as a contour on me or someone because this look a little too light for my skin. So yes, and I bought this because I was saying to myself, I don't have any other highlighters but my bronze one. I mean, it's like bronze. So sometimes I want to do pink or I want to do a tannish one. I could do that. So yeah, this was $12 for this thing. No, was this $12? Oh, I paid $12. Oh no, I think that was too much for this. Okay, so yeah, I think I got ripped off. I think I got ripped off with this because it was $12. This is like $6 worth of stuff. Like, no. All right, the next item that I got was the Sun Bronze. And this is the bronze color that I got. And I'm actually excited about using this because I did a swatch already. And it's shimmery as well. I should have got some brushes, but I didn't. So, yes, that is the bronze that I got. I think this was, well, I don't think, I know. It was $5 for this bronze. A lip gloss, I got a baby pink one. And I already did a swatch, but I'm going to do a swatch for y'all. This is the pink lip gloss that I got. I cannot wait to use it. I've been wanting some baby pink lipstick, so yes. And it's from, cannot pronounce these names. They are just too hard. But this is the brand. I put the brand names, I put the brands in the bio, or if y'all have a question about the brands, I will let you know. And that lipstick was $2. And this is She Lingerie lip color. Yes. I love a good brown. I'm gonna do a swatch. Yes, that is a good old brown right there that I can wear on any occasion. And it's super creamy. I'm going to be using this to death because I've been looking for a brown, and it's by She Cosmetics, and it's the lingerie lip color. Anyway, that lipstick was $3. And then I got a perfume. They had perfume there too. So I got a perfume. It's called Fabulous. Of course, I already opened it because I wanted to make sure I'm getting the same smell that I smell in the store. So this is the boxing. It's called Fabulous by, it is a different, I don't know what brand this is, but I see that it's 2 brands so far that I purchased from. So, and this is my, it's okay to buy different perfumes. Like, you should not smell like the same thing all the time. I mean, if that's what you want to, go ahead. But I like to smell different for my mans. And I want, when people walk past me, I want them to be like, what you got on? Guess how much this perfume was? This is right here that sold me right here. It was $10. And the perfume actually smells so good. I wish I could smell it. It smells so good. Me and my friend got one. So that right there tells you it smells good. No, the perfume was $7. $7, y'all. That's how much the perfume cost me. So, Pink Grapefruit, I got this, these wipes. I wanted to try some different wipes because I just basically get the same ones all the time. The ones that come in the blue pack. If you do makeup, you know. So I got the grapefruit ones. I'm excited to try these. So the wipes was $4. And then I got me an eyeshadow palette. You know I couldn't leave without getting a palette. I was about to get 2, but my friend talked me out of getting 2. So I just got 1. So yeah. I'm going to show you guys. And this is by Cara Beauty. Never heard of it. But, yes. And here we go. Y'all know this is the moment that everybody waits for when they look at a palette. Oh. So I'm excited about using this. I'm going to use this in my next up-and-coming makeup video. Like, I'm loving the colors. I do have a palette with colors like this in it, but I mean, I like to try new palettes because you just never know how they may show up on your skin. Yes, this palette was $20. $40? Let me joke. $20. It was $20, but it could have been $40. So if I would have went to Sephora and got like a basic palette like that, it would have been $40. No, it would have been probably $50. So yeah. The next thing I got is a silicone sponge. I have seen people on IG use this, and like people in on YouTube. But I was just like, what is the point? But it was only $3, so I was like, let me try it. I'm gonna try this in my next up and coming video. I don't know if you have used a silicone sponge. Let me know how it works out. And I don't know how to clean this, so another thing is, if you want to tell me how to clean this, that's great, because I don't know how to do it. But you just, I guess you use it like that. Like you would push your foundation in. It don't have any directions on here. So if you know how to clean this, like I said, this lip color was free from me sharing the video. I mean, sharing the event on Facebook. So I'm going to swatch this. I'm going to swatch this. This is like an orangey brown, but I still like this color for my skin. So I'm gonna try all these colors. I'm excited. This eyeliner was also for free. And I like it has small bristles and it's flexible. Okay. It don't have like a little pineapple shape, so it's not pineapple shape. It's just like a wand. Then I got like a little tweezer thing. This was, I don't know how much this was. I think it was like $2. It's a little tweezer thingy. And you can't have enough tweezers, so got one. And it was cute. Then I got this packet of sponges, which was, how much was these sponges? $6. This packet was $6. You're not gonna find anything like this for $6. You may go to Dollar Tree and find just these for $1 and probably like a thing of these white things for like $1. And then the beauty blenders doesn't exist at Dollar Tree, but yes. And I've been looking for a brown beauty blender, so I was like, yes, I gotta get this. But yeah, I could use this on clients. If I have clients, I could use this on clients. So yeah, I'm excited about using this, especially like I said, the brown beauty blender. I'm excited about using all this stuff. Like, event was dope. I'm glad my friend tagged me in it. I'm glad I got some good stuff that I can use all over my kit. And only thing that I have to say about that event is they had foundation there, but the only foundation they had was for like lighter complexions. So when on my way out, I told the man, if I can give y'all any advice, like, this is a dope event, and if I can give y'all any advice, I would suggest y'all get some dark foundations next time, because not every brown skin girl is this color. They had like light brown foundation, like they had foundation sticks, foundation, concealer, all that, but it was nothing that could fit my skin complexion. So that's my only concern with that that pop-up shop, but I'm excited. I hope it comes back next year, and I'm going to probably have more money so I can spend and get some more stuff, because it's stuff that I put back, guys. Like, we were getting up to the counter like, we probably shouldn't use this, or we probably shouldn't get this. Like, but it was a good little girls outing with my friend, my makeup friend, and we got a lot of stuff, and I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna let y'all know the real deal when I use it, if it's popping, or if nah, I ain't going to the next event. But we're gonna see. I'm hoping that all this stuff works out. And yeah, that's kind of my video for the day. That was the stuff that I got at the pop-up shop, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions about the products or the brands, please let me know below in the comments. Like I said, this stuff was coming from a pop-up shop, and it was affordable, and it was final sale. So that's the video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more reviews from me. Make sure you like this video as well, and leave a comment. Let me know that you came through and you watched the whole video, and that you like these reviews, because I need to know what you guys like. But anyway, I'm finna be out, and I'm putting this stuff up down, and yeah, bye.